Micropress are a commercial printer. We have a turnover of around 30 million, produce a wide range of products, working predominantly in the trade sector for publishers and a whole array of end users. We're known to reinvest a lot in the latest technology. So we've got a really strong relationship with Heidelberg. We find their equipment outstanding, very reliable, and you get a lot of performance out of it. And as a business, if we're investing a lot of money, it needs to deliver. We find that their equipment does. We're very well invested with Heidelberg equipment. We think it's really, really good.
The new press is highly automated, which we feel is very important. It's highly geared for short run production with multiple sections, which is where we see the magazine market going. This machine's got the automation so that you don't have to handle a plate. You load a cassette in the press and it will put the plate on to the press. It speeds the changeover from section to section. It allows us to improve on the turnaround time on certain types of work, and yes, it will allow us to be more cost effective as well. This press is highly automated, and I don't think there is another press out there on the market that would do what this one will.
We're the first in the UK. The inspection control that we've put onto the new production quality monitoring software, that's the first live installation in the world. So it is exciting, we are leading the way with that. That's why we've taken that plunge, because this gives us a competitive edge. It's fair to say, with Heidelberg's backing, it did give us an element of confidence. We know there's a strong relationship there and they will want this to deliver. And if it delivers for us, it can deliver for other companies as well.
Heidelberg presses offer the greatest output of all the presses out there. They're highly reliable, and you can trust in the service that you get with Heidelberg.
The recipe for success in business, in my mind, is that you need to deliver what customers want. We've looked at this press and saying, actually, we can deliver something that A, customers want, and B, that they're unable to get in the UK at the moment, but it's also achieving efficiencies internally, which is what we need to do as a business. I'd recommend Heidelberg to other print businesses. The equipment is second to none. The service and support is excellent, although reliability is fantastic. They're about building relationships. It's a relationship that's there to last, and they will always support businesses.